Bakit ka pa mag-iipon kung may ayuda naman? Wow! Oo nga, no? Marami kasi akong kwento naririnig wherein hindi na sila pumapasok sa kanilang trabaho, hindi na sila naghanap ng trabaho because nag-rely na lang sila sa mga ayuda. This type of mindset is very difficult kasi hindi natin kontrolado kung kailan natin makukuha yung mga ayuda. Most of the time, it happens during election, which is something that's happening right now. A lot of campaigns include giving out ayuda. So kaya siguro naisip natin itong ganitong mga situations. Pero ang problema kasi is that what happens if wala na? Wala nang ayuda makukuha, hindi mo kasi kontrolado yun eh. But one thing that you can really control is saving money because that is a discipline na ikaw mismo ang nag-implement on yourself. Yung ayuda, yung support from the government that you are getting, siguro bonus na yan siya. But if you're just relying on that, mahirap kasi it can only last for a very short term. Sabihin na lang natin may nakuha kang 5,000 pesos na ayuda. More or less, you can survive what? 1, 2, or even 3 weeks? But after that, what's gonna happen? It's a very short-term thing that you get, but the impact on the long term is not good. So mas maganda pa rin if you have a source of income through the work that you do na consistent yung perang pumapasok sa'yo, i-manage mo ng maayos, magtabi ka for savings para just in case mawalan tayo ng trabaho, mawalan tayo ng source of income, hindi ka makakuha ng ayuda, may pera ka pa rin na pwede mong gamitin in order for you and your family to survive. In your own opinion, is it wise na mag-rely ka na lang sa ayuda and not save money? Share your answers in the comment section.